I just want to push out a quick weekly agenda video for you to kind of give you the lay of the land on what you need to be doing this week, some expectations, and just a general check-in on make sure everything's going okay. So this week we're moving on to our next concept in Econ, is talking about trade. So if you notice on Google Classroom already, all of your materials are right there. Same procedure as we did previously, everything coming out to you Monday morning, 8 a.m. Due dates are all going to be on the back half of the week on Fridays. So for this particular concept, go ahead and take a look at the slide deck for trade. It's going to go through the concept and a few different examples, and I went ahead and made a recorded lecture video for you, kind of voicing over the lecture, if that helps. Again, you don't have to watch it, but if you want to, it's there. Your task, which won't be due actually until the 24th, so you got 2 weeks to do it, is a trade research task. You'll notice you will have to go ahead and look through the 4 different kinds of trade barriers slash stimulants. All right, so you're talking about things that both help trade and hurt trade. So you'll go through each of the 4 ones there. You'll do some quick write-ups kind of explaining them on a Google Doc, and then submit that on to Google Classroom on the 24th at midnight. So you have 2 weeks to get that done. I will tell you next week we're going to move on to something else, but I'm just trying to stagger out the due dates to give you guys extra time per the new online learning model. Outside of that, there is an attendance question for the week, and there will be an attendance question each week. You just have to answer it once by Friday at noon. So it's on Google Classroom already. You'll notice, make sure you respond to it by Friday at noon. All right, that's how I'm taking attendance for this week. We'll still hold a tentative Zoom meeting just to kind of remind you guys of due dates, of make sure you're going ahead and doing what you need to be doing. And I'm going to try my best to get a booking set up for those of you who want to have a one-on-one question answer kind of call. So hopefully that'll be up soon. Outside that, please email me if you have any questions. Again, remember, trade research task will not be due till April 24th, Friday night, midnight. However, make sure you answer that attendance question by this Friday, the 17th, by noon. Okay, so just one thing you have to do this week, attendance question by noon. But you can also get your research task done early, totally fine by me. But the deadline for that will be on the 24th. All right, everything's on Google Classroom. Again, email me if you have any questions. Outside of that, see you guys later.